Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful hexagon shaped scrapbook base with the step-by-step procedure. So you can just open it like this, and I have added 4 pages with the 4 hinges, and in each page you will get a pocket, and I have decorated some of them with different shapes of pockets as well. So this is the part 1 of my scrapbook, and on the last flap I have just added these 2 tags like this. It's super easy and super interactive. So without any delay, let's get started. For this I am taking this mount board piece and using 9 cm radius on my rounder I am making a circle. You can also use cardboard if you don't have mount board. Now I am dividing the circle in 6 equal parts using the same 9 cm radius to create the hexagon. Now join all these 6 markings with each other and you will get a hexagon shape. Then I am going to cut the hexagon using my scissors. Like this. In the same way, I have created one more hexagon shape with the same measurement for the front and back cover. And here I am taking one more piece of mount board which measures 5 by 9 centimeters, and I am going to put this in between these two sides. Now I am taking one black color sheet which is approx 40 by 21 centimeters, and I am just going to cover my mount board pieces using this black color paper. So I am arranging these shapes and gluing it using liquid glue on the black color base. The black paper is having 100 GSM thickness. Then just cutting each part like this in little V shape, and I am going to connect these with the base. In the same way, repeat on the top. So after adhering all the sides, our base of scrapbook is ready. Fold it slowly. Then to cover this middle part, I am taking this black paper piece which measures 15 by 9 centimeters, and I am just sticking it on top of this. Make a score line slowly using bone folder. Do it very slowly and carefully. And slowly fold your scrapbook. Then I am taking this black color thick sheet which is having 300 GSM, and here I am taking 3 by 8 centimeter strip. Now from left side I am creasing on 2 centimeters. I am making hinge for our scrapbook. Just fold this creased part and I am just cutting this big part diagonally like this. In the same way I have created 3 more hinges. So in total I am making 4 hinges for 4 pages. Now take back your scrapbook base, and in the center of this I am going to attach my hinges. So on this 1 centimeter folded part, add little glue and connect with the base. Start from the corner and then add all the hinges one by one. So this is done. Now I am taking 2 more black color sheet hexagons which is made using 8 centimeter radius. So the process is same, just the radius is different. And here I have created these 2 hexagons which is made using 300 GSM black sheet. Now I am going to put these pages on the hinge. So I am just adding glue on top and in the bottom. So one side I am going to put on the hinge and other side will be the pocket. So just adding both the hexagons with each other. Just burnishing it very well using my bone folder, and this space should be hollow. In the same way I have created 3 more pages. So in total we will be needed 4 pages. Now take back your scrapbook and I am going to put my first page with the first hinge. So I am just using here double-sided tacky tape and connecting with the hinge. You can also use liquid glue, but in my opinion tacky tape works best with the pages, because the page is the place where you will going to put all your photos, cards, messages, tags. So it should be very strong, and the tacky tape works best on such situation. But if you have any strong adhesive you can also use that, no issues. So I'm just removing the liner, and then just take your first page, open the pocket part and just tuck it on the hinge. like this. And your first page has been attached. In the same way, I am going to attach other 3 pages. So after attaching all 4 pages, our scrapbook base is ready with the pockets. Now I am going to show you how to add some more pockets on these flaps. So I am taking one more hexagon shape which is having same size like 8 centimeter radius hexagon, cutting it from the center and cutting it like this on other side. So you can use this half hexagon as a pocket and also this diamond shape as a pocket. So to connect this pocket, I am taking these small black color paper strips which measures 2 by 8 centimeters. Just fold it from the center, chop the corners, and these will work like a connector. So just connect these strips with the pocket and then connect your pocket with the base. Like this. Now on the next page I am going to attach this pocket. So I have already added the connectors on back side and just attach this with the second page. Then I am taking one more 8 centimeter hexagon, added the connector on one side only, and I am going to put this on next page like this. So here you will get extra flap to add extra photos. And on the last page I am going to take these 2 triangles. Just take one hexagon, divide in 6 parts, so you will get 2 triangles. I have added 2 connectors on this like this and just chopping the front part little bit, and then I am going to attach these triangles. Then putting a ribbon on both the sides so that we can close this. And allow it to dry. So the left sides of all 4 pages are done, and then I am putting one more big ribbon on the outer side of our scrapbook so that we can close our scrapbook easily. And then putting one more 9 centimeter hexagon black color sheet for the finishing on top of the scrapbook. So the base of scrapbook is ready. This is the part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 and part 3 where I will show you how to create cards for inside the scrapbook and how to decorate it. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.